Making the prosciutto and hazelnut flatbread. Mozzarella and hot honey drizzle. Prosciutto, non-flatbread, arugula, cider vinegar, cheese, more cheese, garlic, hazelnuts, honey, more garlic, crushed red peppers, and an onion. Prepare ingredients and make hot honey. Coarsely chopped hazelnuts, already chopped. Quarter and peel onion. Cut quarters into quarter-inch slices. Minced garlic. Combine apple cider vinegar, honey, and red pepper flakes to taste in a mixing bowl. Set aside. Cider vinegar. Honey and red pepper flakes. Honey and red pepper flakes. Keep that in the fridge. Non-bread. And then place flatbread on a clean work surface and top evenly with 2 teaspoons of olive oil and garlic. Okay, got crispy prosciutto. Onions are sauteing, and the non-bread is ready to be topped. I am curious to see how this one's gonna be. You know what? This is not anything we have ever had before. I know, to me, it seems silly to drizzle on it when it's on paper towel, but that's what it said. I'm going to save a little and drizzle it on the top, too.
Weird.
Baby cakes. Hopefully it'll be delicious, though. I told you, something we've never had before for dinner. Okay. I'm going to sprinkle the hazelnuts. Okay. Then the arugula. Hopefully it's not too much, because I'm not a huge arugula fan. And then I'm going to drizzle it with a little bit more of the hot honey. Alright, hopefully it tastes delicious. Alright, so this is what it's supposed to look like, and this is what it looks like.